My name is Michael Baker. I'm down here from Engineer Research and Development Center in Vicksburg. I started out doing QAs with the roofing mission. We've transitioned over to having a unmanned aerial system down here, the drones. Now we can fly the homes and assess damage and see what's needed here in the end to be able to wrap things up. What we've done today, we've got a drone, the Sky Raider, that we're able to fly over a neighborhood. It takes a couple hundred images. We put that in our software and that stitches them all together, make a really pretty picture for everybody to go back and count the roofs that have been covered, see what damage is left over, assess what still needs to be done, check behind the contractors. We can really cover a lot of area faster than sending boots on the ground out there to see things. This is the first disaster I've done that we've used the UAS in. All the others, I've done Puerto Rico, Georgia, California, all of those just been boots on the ground. We're trying to get this program up and going now to prove that the drones can be an asset and how much time we can save in our response to help the people. In this type of disaster environment, doing the drone work, poses the biggest problem is all the different airports and helipads that are in the area. Has to be a lot of coordination going on between the flight towers, us, our headquarters. It's a lot of work to be able to fly in the airspace, but we get it done and pushing through. Yes, ma'am. Army Corps of Engineers has landed. Thank you.